Okay, let's see if this is working. I can't tell. Oh, I think it is. Soy John Iberg, aka Juanito Iberg, aka Biker John, my world on wheels, retired world bike tour. Stop blind. Okay. Eastbound on Cosmos Drive after a very successful cycle so far this morning. I've set up some welding to be done on Friday at noon by Dario. And see how my good. Okay, go slow with this speed bump. And then I went ahead and cycled over to Cielo Vista Sam's, pursuing SkinnyPop, and it had completely changed from the last time I went there, because I told her I don't want a month ago. Of course it would have changed. But I found there's still a pallet of SkinnyPop, and I picked up 4 bags. You can never tell. They're good. Of SkinnyPop. Very pleased about that. So far, so good. I do have some modifications to make to the modifications I was making on the trailer hitch. Buen dia, good morning. As advised by Dario, so I'll take care of that. That'll be good. And let's see, I need to work on the trailer hitch some more. It's the Maya cycle trailer. So that's going to work out excellent. But I guess on some of the distances that I have to extend the trailer on by, but I can do that. That'll work out okay. Okay, good. Okay, this is catnip, and I'm turning left here. I made the left-hand turn signals, left hand parallel to the asphalt, stick straight out, and I'm going to turn right on this next road, which is Dallas. I'll make the right hand straight out parallel to the surface. My signal, I show where I go where I show. Okay, good. Now eastbound on Dallas. And this will tee into McCrae. And oh, someone's getting roof down. I can smell the tire. That's very distinctive. Anywhere on the earth, tiny roof, you can smell the tire. Just heat it out. Okay, good. This road's not too bad. Better not speak too soon. And what I'm going to come up to here in a moment, you might be able to see how it's kind of a dip of sorts. The McCready Boulevard itself, north-south boulevard, is a little bit higher than this road. So I've got to climb to get up to it. And because I have to climb to get up to it, well, I'm not going to do that. I'm signaling left, turning left. Because when you get through this parking lot, carefully, of course, and get a much more level entrance to McCrae Boulevard, albeit it's a little bit more hazardous like this. Good. And I will be turning out signal left. I'm going to turn left. I'm doing a U basically. No traffic driving, good. No traffic coming up either, good. Excellent. And north on Trey, I'm going to turn right or go east on Album. Okay, red stop, look, go. Good. Excellent, 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 excellent. And go over to one of my most favorite starting and stopping points. This is excellent. Here in the hidden gem of the world, Paso de North America, anchored by Pasos y Tabuadas y las Cruces. It is warmed up considerably from when I left earlier, and that's to be expected. It was just moving up from freezing, overnight lows freezing. My bike outside from inside because I cannot afford to have these e-batteries frozen. I've already lost part of one e-battery. A third of it is gone. And I'm not so sure if that's due to, because I've been careful about keeping the batteries out of freezing weather. But it might be due to having fallen. Not me, but the bicycle falling over. And that bangs up the batteries, bangs up the BMS, which are the brains for the batteries. The battery management system, I am probably not going to make that because I'm too far back and need to do a quick slide. Hold. I am going to take a shortcut here. I'm still going right, now I'm going to turn right. And I'm going to go south on Wedgewood a little bit. I'm still going backwards because I'm going to turn left. On this next street. Left hand straight out to the left, parallel to the asphalt. On Cielo, just out. I'm going to turn left on Cielo. Okay, that's a little bit rough there. Okay, what do I have here? I've used up one bar and I'm less than 10 miles, less than 16 clicks. It is better. It's a little strange, but I've got these were 3 brand new batteries that I installed just for cycling to the East Coast, Brooklyn, New York turnaround point. It was the beginning of my 4th annual first quarter odyssey. Okay, you can hear those brakes. I need to work on those. Here's maintenance. But I'm disappointed because I was well in the way. I got the Cosmos to Album. We turned. What is this street? I just turned left north on Zanzibar, keep into Album. I'm going to turn east on Album. Yeah, I'm good. I'll terminate this video. But I got to Osona. I was leaving east out of Osona when I heard the 4th or 5th smoke hot. And that just does not bode well. I was just simply too heavy. Okay, this is what I've got. Okay, I just have to make my turn. That's okay, I'm a vehicle on the road. Wait my turn. Then I'll go in. So, I had to hustle around and get from Osona back to El Paso by way of the super terrific Rancho Valley Transportation District and Greyhound Bus, San Angelo, Big Spring, El Paso. Okay, these are oh, there's early voting. That's what's going on. Early voting. I have a vote by mail. I have not determined who I'm voting for at this point in time. That will be done. Okay. Good. Good. It doesn't look like I have. Well, I might have my frequent parking spot. I am not going to go in the vote. I could if I wanted to. I do have my. I just have not determined who gets my vote yet. Okay, I'm going to go back in to my parking spot here. Anyway, well, actually, I don't. This is so different from the other. When I use the other feature for when I do the live stream on Instagram. Okay, this is good. Okay, let's move up. Yes, carefully. Okay, good. And that's why I'm here, and this is where I often start and stop my live streams, and this is it. Thank you very much for joining me. Que tengan buen día. Have a great day.